Good morning, everyone. This is Lead Concept CEO, Prof. Amos. I want to show you, look at my screen right now. I want to show you from my file, from my Docs, Google Docs, some websites where you can make money for free. They are numerous. Just be looking at my screen. So as you are looking at this screen now, I won't be dictating. You can take the screenshot. You can stop the video and then look at all this website URL that you are seeing on your phone. Okay, you can stop the video and be able to see them, right? They are numerous. There are about 150 websites where you can paste, you can copy and paste your ad and make money for free. I've used this platform and they are awesome. And you know, the joy of it is that they are not Nigerian websites. They are US based websites. Some of them are Indian website. When you copy and paste, excuse me, if you copy and paste and advertise in this website, you should be expecting that you will make dollars. You are not making nairas, right? So you have to join affiliate marketing platforms such as Amazon, NutriProfit.com, Monniche.com, ClickBank, Digistore24, and so on like that. So all those offers, you can promote them on this free ad forum website. I wish you best of luck in your businesses. God bless you. So that's the training. That's the end of the training.